Hi students, now we will discuss one of the Python program to find a plus b whole square and a plus b whole cube using Python. Very first line of this program is non-executable statement which is start with a hash symbol. It won't execute in the runtime. Second line is a input statement. A equal to outermost function is int. Int function is used to convert the integer value, then it will assign. The innermost function is input function. Input function is used to read the value from the keyboard. Here input function enter the a value, the message will display. After the message display, the backslash n, in this backslash n is used to move the cursor to next line. Why? Because it is escape sequence character. After displaying this message, then it will move the cursor to next line. My input is 3. 3 will assign to outermost function, and that is 3 will converted into integer, then it will assign to a. Next line is b equal to int of, that is outermost function. It is used to convert the integer value. Then innermost function is used to read the value. Input function is used to read the value from the keyboard. Enter the b value, it will display on the screen. Then move the cursor to next line. It is waiting for input. Now I am giving b value 2. The b value assigned to outermost function. 2 will convert it into integer. Then it will assign to b. Next line is c equal to, that is formula a plus b whole square, right hand side formula value a square plus 2ab plus b square. A square by a value is 3. 3 into 3 9 plus 2 into 3 6. 6 into 2 12. 12 plus 9 18 plus b value is 2. 2 into 2 4. 21 plus 4 25. It will assign to c. Then it will print the c value, a plus b whole square equal to 25. Then next line is c equal to, that is a plus b whole cube formula, right hand side formula, a cube plus a 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. A value is 3. 3 into 3 into 3, that is 27 plus 3 into 3 9. 9 into 3 27 into 2 54. 54 plus 27 81 plus 3 into 3 9. 9 into 2 18. 18 into 2 36. 81 plus 36 117 plus b value 2. 2 into 2 4. 4 into 2 8. 8 plus 117, that is 125 assigned to c. Then print b value, print a plus b whole cube, that is 125. It will print. Now we will run the program F5. A value I am giving 3, b value 2. A plus b whole square, that is a value 3. 3 plus 2 5. 5 square is 25. Then a plus b whole cube, that is 3 plus 2 5. 5 cube means 5 into 5 25. 25 into 5 125. Thank you. Now you subscribe this channel and click bell icon. Thank you.